Okay, you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be another install of UNICE hair, and I just want to do the video because, for one, when I did get their package last time, I was impressed. And the good thing about UNICE hair, if you get it on Amazon, the hair is not as expensive as it is on the main site. So I got this hair for $75. So let me go get the hair. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the hair. It comes inside of this red box, of course. I really like UNICE hair because they always give out gifts. They always give out like lashes, and I just be like, it's something to look forward to. So I got the lashes. It says UNICE on them. I thought that was so freaking cute, and they're kind of long. So when I'm done with the, also got a wig cap that came with it. Forgot to include that. Lashes that I have on my eyes, these can be a backup because I've been running out lately for some reason. Also comes with like some type of headband. Then I got the hair, of course. Y'all, this hair is so freaking soft. And this is 14 inches. So I paid 14 inches for $75. And just look at that. Sorry, y'all. But look at that. Look how soft it is. Like, don't play with it. Don't play with her. Do not play with her. Okay? Really, really nice. I'm loving everything about this hair. So it's super soft, and the body wave, I liked it. So yeah, I'm really feeling it. Okay, so now you guys, I'm going to braid my hair. I'm combing my hair, and like there was like a little knot, so I had to like kind of stop because I normally don't be combing my hair like that, but I want to make sure that I braid my hair. And last time I had one of these wigs on, I decided to put like a bun and put my hair up in the back. But today I'm just like, I'm going to braid my hair because I want the hair to lay flat. Plus, I just finished washing my hair. So I'm like, okay, this is the day that I'm going to do it. And I just came back from the gym, you guys. So anyway, I'm braiding my hair. I'm using African's Best, herbal oil. This stuff really works, and I like it. It's just like a good oil to use. And plus it's like $4 or something. But I've had it like for a while. So here you see me braiding my hair. I'm going to speed it up for you guys and put on the music because I know y'all want to keep hearing me ramble, but I am braiding the hair up so I can put the wig on. Okay, so now I have my hair like up in the back or whatever. So as I'm saying, my hair just came out. Right now it's curly, so I'm about to see if it can straighten. Okay, so this is the hair. So I just tried to straighten the hair, and this is a body wave, so it's not going to really straighten like that. It's a body wave. If I wanted straight, I should have got straight. But the hair is really soft. It was easy to install it. The only thing that I didn't like, that there's a band on this hair. I feel like y'all in my face, but there's a band on this hair. So you guys, if you guys want to see how it looks in the back, so this is like the waves of it in the back. But if I take my time, I could probably get it all straight for real. But I don't really need to, because like it's body wave. So some cute little curls and good to go. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.